puppy breathing fast?
Puppies usually have faster metabolisms than their adult counterparts, so they can naturally breathe a little bit faster. Normal resting rate can be between 16 and 40 breaths per minute, especially during times of excitement, times of heat, and times of rest. That all goes out the window if they're having trouble breathing, if they seem very flat, or if they're not able to recuperate and recover. If you're noticing any of those things, then I would immediately call a vet and ask for some advice.